Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here we're going to continue our series on integration. So we have three functions that we are going to integrate to begin with, and we're just going to use our rule for integration. So we're trying to integrate x cubed, and we always write the dx afterwards with respect to x. So remember the rule, we increase the power by 1, so 3 plus 1 is 4, then divide by the new power. Are we done? Ha! Absolutely not. We need to have that plus c, guys. Plus c. Okay, that plus c is so important. I stressed it in my previous video, so watch that if you haven't yet seen it. Okay, next we have 2x to the minus 7. So we have 2x to the minus 7. Again, we apply the same rule. So we add 1 to the power. So minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6, guys. It's minus 6, okay? All divided by the new power, which is minus 6. And this can be simplified to minus a third. Should have put the plus c here. And then we put the plus c here. Oh, gosh. We put a minus a third x, rather, to the minus 6. Then we put the plus c. There we go. Even the c throws me off. But it's okay. We move forwards. Okay, next one. We add 1 to the power. So we have 4x minus a half plus 1 is a half, divide by the new power, which is a half, and then 4 divided by a half to simplify it is going to be 8, and that's x to the power of a half. Just put the plus c and the plus c. Okay, next, let's go on to some other examples. Here we're looking at examples where we're integrating constants, okay? Just as a rule of thumb, if you're integrating a constant, the answer is just going to be 2 times, well, the constant times by the variable with which you're integrating with respect to. So 2 integrates to 2x if you're integrating with respect to x. And remember, plus c. Here we have minus 200, so that becomes minus 200x plus c. Here it looks a bit weird. We have integral of dx, but really, this is like an invisible 1. So integral of 1 dx. Like in algebra, we don't write 1 usually. But in this case, we can write it and it will help us. So that just equals x. And again, plus c. Okay, let's keep it moving. Next, we're applying some power laws. So this one becomes the integral of x to the power of minus 2. You've got to remember those laws of indices. And then we integrate, so that's x to the power of minus 1, adding 1 to the power, dividing by the new power. So that's minus x to the power of minus 1, and then we put the plus c. This next one becomes 10 times x to the power of minus 7, integrated. Again, adding the same rule, adding 1 to the power becomes minus 6, divided by the new power, and that will simplify to, well, you can divide both top and bottom by 2, and that's minus 5 over 3, x to the power of minus 6, and we put the plus c. Let's keep going, guys. This next one looks a bit weird. Well, this means 1.5 times 1 over x to the power of 5. That's what we're doing. And then that's the same thing as the integral of a half x to the power of minus 5 dx, which equals, that's going to become a half x to the power of, adding 1 to the power gives you minus 4, dividing by the new power, minus 4. And then just to simplify, well, a half divided by minus 4 is going to give you minus an eighth, and that's x to the power of minus 4. And then we have the plus c. Always remember that plus c, guys. Hopefully, these examples have given you some ideas for how to manipulate things and integrate things, okay? And next, we'll be continuing to look at some questions where you have to look at index laws as such. Take care for now, guys. I will see you in the next video.